Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Nora Ikutan, and today we are starting the third episode of my Python tutorial. So for today guys, we are going to be learning about Python functions. So excited guys, more videos will be coming up, so make sure you subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell so that anytime I make any video that you're interested in, you can be notified. And yeah, so let's get to the video. Python function is a statement that returns specific tasks. Put some commonly replicated tasks together and make a function so that you do not have to write the code over and over again. So let's get to the Python part of it. Hello guys. Okay, so the first thing about Python function, we're going to be learning about how to create a function. Creating a function. So anytime you want to create a function with Python, you have to define and then the name of your function. So we can call it my function, and then we put our brackets and I think a colon there. Then you can print, say let's say hello. Let's see if it runs. So the second thing we have to do is calling a function. So we can just write here calling a function. So if you want to call a function, you just write the name of the function, which was my underscore function. And then you run this. Yeah, you see? Hello. So the next thing we have to learn is the arguments of a function. So the arguments of our functions are the ones which are written in those parentheses. So for example, we say def my function and then parentheses. Whatever you write inside here is the argument or the parameter. So for example, here we can say f name, and then you put a colon, print f name plus let's just use my name like that. You can type Nora. So let's call it, yeah, it's bringing it. It has brought my two names. You can use my sibling's name. Let's see, like another one. It brings all of the names with the, so we've created a function there. Get it? We are done with that. The next one will say number of arguments. So as we've said earlier, number of arguments are these ones which are in the parentheses, right? So if you have one argument, you have to, when you're calling out the function, you have to call it with one argument. If you have two arguments and you're calling, let's say you have first name and another one, you have to call both of them, otherwise it will bring an error. So an example is, you can say define my underscore function and say, let's say f name, comma, l name. So this is, I'm trying to mean like first name and last name. Put a colon and then you can say print f name and l name, right? And then can add my function. Say, so since here you have two parameters here, so you have to have two. So I don't know. Oh, okay. Let's call this number of arguments. So the next one is passing a list as an argument. So you can just write define my, call this my food. Then you put into brackets the function, the argument is food, colon, and then you say for x in food, colon, print x. So the list of food is right down below, so we can say furthest food is equals to, so we are using a list of items, so you can say omena, ugali, manag, like that. So that's the list of items we're going to pass. So we can continue there, and then we pass the food as a whole, like we don't use one, we pass the whole my food. So you say my food. So finally we're going to have pass statement. So this one is used if the function is empty. You just you pass the pass statement so that you do not get any error. So for example, there my y, then you put the brackets, but since it has nothing inside, you write pass like that, so it won't an error. The last thing we're going to look at today is called the return statement. Return. So once you pass a function, you can use the return to return. I don't know if it makes sense. So you can say define function, and then you can type x, return 5 times x, then you can write print my so we've specified my function is 3, so x is 3, so 5 times 3 is 15. Anyway guys, that's the end of our video today. Hope you learned something new. If you have any additions, corrections, any questions, you can add it on the comment section below so that I can get back to you guys. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe. Bye.